Hey guys, Aniket here. If you are an Indian citizen living in Czech Republic and planning to apply for a new passport, or maybe you have a newborn who wants to get a new passport, don't worry, I have got you covered in this video. I will get you through step-by-step guide on how to apply, what documents you need, some very important tips that might help you in the future. So let's get started. First thing first, let's see who can apply for a reissue of your Indian passport. You are eligible if your current passport is expiring within a year, your passport is lost or damaged, your passport has less than 4 blank pages. You need to update your personal details such as name, address or spouse information. Now, if you have a newborn and want to apply for a first passport, you can do so if one of the parent is of Indian citizenship. You will also need to fill out an online Indian citizenship application form along with the passport application. More on that later. Applying online is super easy. You just need to follow these steps. Open this website. Select Czech Republic by clicking the flag. Click Register and select Embassy/Consulate as Czech Republic, Prague. Complete the registration and then log in. Click Apply for Ordinary Passport and fill in application details. After submission, a PDF file will be generated. Print it out and sign where required. Affix 2 passport size photos with these requirements. Now let's talk about most important form, the documents. For passport reissue due to expiration of lack of pages. Category 1. Printed and signed copy of online application form. 2 recent passport size photographs. Self-attested copies of pages of your current passport. Self-attested copy of your permanent residence card, or if you are not a PR, a valid immigration document. That is student ID, work permit, etc. If you are a student, proof of educational institution and period of study. If you are a work permit holder, employee details and period of employment. For a passport reissue due to loss, all the documents of category 1 plus original police report mentioning the date and place of loss, an affidavit regarding loss of passport, which is available at the embassy. For the passport reissue due to damage, you will need all the documents from the first category plus an affidavit regarding the damage of the passport. For the passport reissue due to name change, all documents from first category plus Gazette notification or newspaper advertisement announcing the name change in 2 newspapers, one Hindi/local language, 2 public documents supporting the name change, which might be school certificate and government document. And number 3, affidavit signed in front of consular officer. For passport reissue due to change in personal details. Number 1, if changing address, that can be Aadhaar card, voter ID, electricity bill, etc. If adding a spouse name, then you will need apostille marriage certificate. If you are deleting a spouse name, you will need divorce decree. And if you are changing surname due to marriage, you will need apostille marriage certificate. For minor's passport, both parents must sign an affidavit at the time of application. For a newborn's passport, you will need printed copies of both the Indian citizenship form and passport application form, parents' passports and visas or residence permits. Number 3, parents' marriage certificate. Number 4, baby's birth certificate. Number 5, 2 passport size photographs. Number 6, affidavit signed by both the parents. The passport fees must be paid in Czech crowns at the embassy during submission. You can check the exact fee structure over here. Now, some crucial points to remember. Number 1. You must submit the application in person for identification. In case of minors, both parents and child must be present. Ensure the application is completely filled out, no blanks or dashes. If you make a mistake, you will need to re-register and print a new form. Passports are issued certainly in India, so it takes about 4 weeks to receive a new one. If you have lived in Czech Republic for less than 5 years, additional police verification in India may be required, which can delay processing. Track your passport application online. There is no express or tatkaal service for passports in Czech Republic. Indian law prohibits endorsing a child's name on a parent's passport. Minors get their own passport with a 5 years validity. If you acquire a citizenship of another country, surrender your Indian passport immediately at the embassy. Before wrap up, let's see some common questions. I have handwritten passport that expires in 2 years. Can I apply? Yes. You can apply for a machine readable passport anytime. What is the process for newborn's passport? First, fill out birth registration form within 6 months of birth at this link. Then submit the required documents and apply for the passport. Do both the parents need to be present for a minors passport application? Yes. If one parent cannot be present, they must provide a notarized no objection affidavit. That's all. That's everything you need to know about applying for new Indian passport in Czech Republic. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic and university deadlines on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.